Good morning, Platypus class. I am going to talk you through our English lesson for today. And what we're going to be thinking about is, what are New Year resolutions? Now, have a little think about it. Does anybody know what they are? Have you ever heard of these? Maybe you've already made somebody. If you would like, you can pause the video and you can have a little think about it before I go on to the next slide. So, did you all have a little chance to think about it? So, what are New Year resolutions? At New Year, something people do is that they make a New Year resolution, or they might make more than one. So, a resolution is a promise that you are going to do something. We're now in a new year, and we're now in 2021. And this is the time when people make those promises. So, some things that people might do, they might think, oh, you know what, I need to do more exercise. A bit like me, I need to do more exercise. So, my New Year resolution is to do more exercise and to be a bit healthier. You might think about practicing your spellings every day, or it might be even something like learning a new instrument. Have you thought of any New Year resolutions so far this year? Okay, so we're going to be looking ahead for the year 2021 because that's the year that we're now in. But before we think about what we're going to do this year, I want you to think about, what have you enjoyed in year two so far? Is it that you enjoyed? We just did this just before the holiday. We took part in we did a lovely song, and we had a lovely dance to go for the Christmas production for the whole school. Have you enjoyed playing with your friends, like football or in the playground or in our PE lessons? We made some delicious fruit kebabs. Can you remember making those? We also had a fantastic topic all about space, and you made some great rockets. Is it that you've enjoyed the most? Have you enjoyed artwork, or have you enjoyed reading? What's your favourite story been so far that we've read in school? So it could be any of those things, or it might be something else that I haven't thought of. So, what are you looking forward to this year? So, in the year 2021, what is it that you are looking forward to the most? Is it that you are looking forward to science lessons? You know how much I love science. So, is it that you're looking forward to doing those again? Is it that looking forward to doing maths? Maybe learning your times tables because that's what we're about to start doing in our maths topic. Could be that you want to do more phonics. It could be that you enjoy sport. So it could be when we're coming up to sports day, you're looking forward to that. Or it could be reading more books in year two because we know how important that is. So have a think about, so this year already, what do you think you've already got better at? Is it your writing? Have you improved your writing? Does your writing make more sense now? Has your handwriting improved? It could be anything like that. What about your reading? Have you improved your reading? I know lots of you have been reading so much more at home, which we know is really important. So is it your reading that you've improved? Is it something in maths that you've improved? It could be that you've learned all your number bonds, or it could be that you've really improved your addition and subtraction because you have been going on Sumdog every day. So have a think about that. Could be something like a personal target. So a personal target could be, so it's something about you. So it could be that you might need to improve your listening in the classroom. So it could be that you've really got much better at listening. It could be something at home that you have needed to get better at, like listening to your grown-ups at home or tidying up your bedroom or something like that. So that's what a personal target is. Now, I want you to think about, so I want you to think about your New Year resolution. So we talked a bit about this. So what do you think you would like to get better at this year? So there are lots of different things that you could choose from. It could be that you think that you need to improve your reading. Maybe that you haven't been reading 4 times a week and you really want to get better at doing this because we know how important reading is. It could be that you want to get better at listening to adults or your friends. or listening like in the classroom. Could be that you need to do something improving your math. Maybe it is that you need to improve your addition or subtraction, or something that you think that you need to work a bit harder on. It could be something to do with your friendships, okay? Lots of ideas here. It could be something to do with your writing. Again, we've got reading down here. Oh, this one looks like it could be something to do with maybe tidying up. Could be in the classroom or at home. And this one is all about maybe it's something that you would like to do to get better at healthy eating by eating more fruit, because we've learned lots about that in our classroom. So today, your task is to think about your New Year resolutions. And what we're going to do is I'm going to talk through your work with you. So you have some sentence starters below, and I want you to answer these sentence starters. So I want you to think about the best thing about school last year was, and so you can see dot, 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 and we know when there's a dot, 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 that you need to finish that sentence. You're not going to write the dots, you're going to complete that sentence. So what is it that you enjoyed about school last year? I will save this PowerPoint with your assignment. So if you want to, you can go back and you can look at the PowerPoint. So you've got all the ideas there to remind you if you forget. And then the next one I want you to finish off is this year I can't wait to. So this is something that you're looking forward to in year 2. What is it that you are looking forward to do this year? And then the next one is my New Year resolutions are. Now, you might have more than one, and that's absolutely fine. It could be that you want to get better at listening. It could be that you want to improve your handwriting. It could be that you need to start tidying up your room at home. Think about a home one, maybe, and also think about a school one as well. The next sentence starter that you need to finish is I will achieve them by. So this is how you're going to do these things. So this is how you're going to achieve your New Year resolutions. So it could be that if you have decided that you need to, if you want to improve your reading, that you would achieve this by making sure that you read at home more to a grown-up. Or you can read by yourself as well, but it's really important to read to a grown-up as well. So that would be how you would achieve it. It could be that you think that you need to improve your handwriting, and the only way to achieve that is by practicing. So you would need to practice at home and at school. So in your blue book, you will need to write these sentence starters, and I would like you to finish them. Now, here is our success criteria down here, okay? When you're writing your sentences, so you can use those sentence starters, but you must make sure that you write in a full sentence, which makes sense, okay? And then you must have a capital letter and a punctuation mark at the end of your sentence. So, good luck with your learning. Use your book to write all of this in. You can put the date, you can put the learning question if you like, and you can also refer back to the PowerPoint, which will be up with your assignment. So I can't wait to read your New Year resolutions and what you've enjoyed so far in year 2.